A few got Ford tractors here, and yeah, there's a couple of names that friends of mine that spring to mind that I always think of when I see these tractors, and that's Mark and Miles Green, and I know they like these old Ford tractors. We've got I think it's a TW30 or a 60 over the other side somewhere. I'll do a video of that in a little while. But yeah, the Ford tractors are so popular, and you don't see so many of them now. There's even a Mapro Mastiff here actually, I've just noticed, which is pretty good. So yeah, Miles, Mark, I expect to see you at a show again at some point soon. Okay, I wish you were here, alright. But I'll just show you these. Look at this, a Ford 7000, look. 4-wheel drive as well, look. Look at that. What a nice tractor. Reportedly to be the first ones to have out of factory turbo. Have a look. First mass produced tractor to have a turbo. Yeah, I can't see it. I don't know where it is on these. Excuse my ignorance. I don't want to say anything too soon. I don't want to sound stupid, but that's a P4 by the look of it. Now this is a machine. Out of all the tractors that exist in the whole world, this is one that I would really like. Like, I think number one out of all the tractors. I'm definitely a combine man, but you know, these are so cool. Look at that big 6 engine, look. That's the same as, don't get me wrong, you might quote me and tell me that I'm wrong, but Thames Trader, it's what went in a M103 combine. It's what went in a Ransom's 1001 combine. And many a combine have been destroyed to feed these, to put in these, I'm sure. Look at it, it's awesome, isn't it? Look at that. Wow. Thing of beauty. I can't emphasise how much I am actually really pleased that this is here, because it is just awesome. What a machine. I'd love to have that. I'd love to have the wallet to go with it.